All right, hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Mon Outdoors at my hunting property, and while I'm here today, I'm also going to do a little Cup of Noodles review of these Cup of Noodles garlic Parmesan wing flavored ramen noodles in a sauce, and I'm going to add to it just a little bit, a can of chunk chicken breast chicken, just to give it a little bit more protein that comes with it. I love cooking these ramen meals here while I'm out doing some work, just kind of scouting around, having fun at the property. So I'm going to use my Pathfinder pack stove and my Pathfinder skillet, and of course I've got my mountain water bag here with my water in. I'm going to use to fill that up and cook with. So my GSI utility utensil kit as always. So let's go ahead and kind of get this camera moved in so you can see what I'm doing, and we'll try to cook up this quick ramen meal using my Pathfinder pack stove and Pathfinder gear. So stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this Cup of Noodles garlic Parmesan with wings. All right, put that off to the side. All the garbage gets to pick it out. Ooh, wow, look at all the seasoning that's sitting on top of that right there. That is insane. So let's go ahead. I'm going to fill it up with my water from my water jug here, and I always put in more water because it doesn't bother me. That's a good amount there. I'm just going to pour this into the skillet. There we go. Okay, oop, a little bit of a splitch, that's all right. And then I'm going to just put in a little more water in here to kind of get the rest of this seasoning. That's around. All right, we'll kind of add that in there. That's fine. Perfectly good. It's all good. Again, this will get in the trash as I said it would. I'm going to use my Pathfinder lighter here and try to drain out what's left of the fuel in this stove. There we go. And we'll put this on here. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and just going to open up this chunk chicken breast right here. And I'll drain all the water off to the side because we don't need all that liquid that's in there. So let me go do that, and then we'll drop it in the pan. Off. Just go ahead and drop that in. Perfect. Okay. Go ahead and get that all in the trash as I said and get it out of here. Alright, this time I'm going to use my Gerber Complete spork, and we're just going to go ahead and that chicken in here. Let this water heat up and just kind of drip that water on that noodle pile here. And as that water and then soaks up that liquid, it'll definitely start to rehydrate and have our meal ready to go. So let me go ahead and monitor this and make sure that we get this boiled up and simmering up, and then I'll bring you back when it's starting to get cooking good. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, so we got the noodles all broken apart, that clump of noodles. So now they're just rehydrating with all the vegetables. You can really smell the Parmesan, the chicken in there real nice. So I'm just going to let this boil and simmer and kind of burn off a little bit more of that water and let that the vegetables and the noodles rehydrate. And then this is almost ready. It doesn't take long, but yeah, absolutely smells delicious, looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. So let's go ahead and I'll bring you back when we're ready to turn off the stove and eat this for our additional snacks. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody, I'm taking a look at this. I think it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the stove. I can't believe they still have gas in that fuel tank, but man, it smells really great. Definitely looks really good. See the chunks of chicken in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick noodle taste while I got battery left on my camera, and take a quick taste. Oh wow, okay, there's definitely a good Parmesan wing, and it's a kick to it. It definitely has some spice to it, but it's really good. So I'm definitely going to sit back and enjoy this. But that looks absolutely lit. I want to make sure you guys can see it on the camera. Yeah, absolutely looks delicious. And those chunks of chicken really make it a really good complete meal. So, wow. All right, well, nothing too fancy here. Just love cooking out in the woods, cooking out on my property. You know, so I'll post this in a bunch of places where folks can go out and look at it and just kind of look at these quick meals and these different ramen flavors. It's awesome. So thanks everybody for watching. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Looking forward to hitting that 1,000 at some point in the future. So appreciate everybody. Appreciate all the support. Have any comments, drop them in. I'll answer. And we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.